Do you find yourself in a situation staring at your closet full of clothes but still feel like you have nothing to wear? Well, you are not alone. In fact, having too many clothes can make getting dressed much harder. Why? Well, number one reason, you keep on focusing on quantity over quality. Number two, you buying individual pieces instead of thinking of the outfits. And finally, number three reason, you simply don't know how to mix and match what you have and enhance your basic outfit using very easy styling hacks. I'm about to share a step-by-step, very easy and straightforward plan how to maximize your wardrobe potential and have a variety of different stylish outfits for every day with having no more than 8 key pieces. Are you ready? Then let's dive right in. Step number one, always start with the bottoms. One of the reasons it might be challenging for you to put an outfit together is simply because you're missing versatile bottoms that pair with all your tops and layers and that's suitable for any occasion. Don't worry, you don't need a lot of them. 2 or 3 are actually more than enough to cover the entire season. For example, for my spring-summer capsule, I went for 3 bottoms only from Petite Studio, the sponsor of today's video, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. Number 1, black tailored trousers. And yes, they're great for summer too, especially in lightweight, breathable fabric, which is the case with this model. Then my ultimate summer wardrobe staple is white tailored trousers. These are just great in terms of fit and in terms of the fabric as well. And finally, last not least, because I'm not really a big fan of jeans, especially in hot summer weather, I don't find them that comfortable. I actually went for midi denim skirt, which is on the one hand one of the biggest trends of the season. On the other hand, it's timeless and super versatile and it never goes out of fashion. For example, if I go for basic black trousers, I can create a limitless number of outfits with them. Starting with formal summer workwear, I can add a white blouse, heels and structured tote. For relaxed summer casual look, I can add a raffia basket and 10-colored sandals. For a more dressed up evening look, I can pair the trousers with a waistcoat and add a statement zebra clutch. Alternatively, I can opt for a more minimalist look by pairing the trousers with a striped shirt, fishnet ballet flats and a minimalist tote bag. All the looks are very different and versatile, but they all use one base: basic black trousers. I'm talking about maximizing your wardrobe potential, having minimum amount of clothes and a variety of different outfits. Of course, the key criteria for choosing clothes is impeccable fit that flatter your figure shape and your height. And for those who are new to my channel, I've got a little surprise. I have created a personalized style guide packed with very practical styling tips in order to achieve the most flattering effect for your height and figure that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and figure shape, and get the guide immediately directly to your mailbox. It's a very handy, in-depth illustrated guide with the key winning silhouettes per category, working outfit ideas for different occasions, and my personal professional styling tips which I use for myself and my clients in order to create this impeccable signature style and most flattering effect for the figure. Another reason you might be struggling to put an outfit together despite having plenty of clothes is simply not having enough tops for styling. Remember, you should aim to have at least 1 top for each bottom. Additionally, every single top you add to your capsule wardrobe should meet 2 criteria. First of all, it should coordinate with all your bottoms. And secondly, it should be layerable, meaning you can easily wear it as both inner and outer layer. So must-have top number 1 is a ribbed vest in white and black, and if you can afford a third option, black and white. Trust me, this is the most classy and versatile top you can have in your wardrobe. Must-have top number 2 is a linen or cotton waistcoat in white or in beige or any neutral color. This is the answer to your question how to look classy in the heat. It is super comfortable, chill, and it elevates any of your outfits in a second. And finally, must-have top number 3 is a white shirt or blouse. Again, super versatile and chic option, and it can be worn in so many different ways. Now let's see how many looks I can create with these 3 tops and 3 bottoms I picked for my capsule wardrobe. Starting with my favorite minimalist look, a ripped vest paired with white tailored trousers accessorized with golden jewelry, which is, by the way, my favorite and super easy hack to elevate your black and white outfits. Finish off with thong sandals, the biggest shoe trend of the season, and last but not least, a minimalist half moon bag from the robe. I can also pair it with a denim skirt, strappy sandals matching with the white on the top, and a cream minimalist tote. And the look I've shown you previously is a ripped tank top with black trousers and a raffia tote. And now let me introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, and I'm super excited because it's the first time I'm collaborating with a fashion brand that is targeting petite ladies. The name of the brand is Petite Studio. It's based in New York, and even though I'm not petite myself, I'm actually medium height, but I have a very fine frame, which makes it quite challenging sometimes to find the right fit in a mass market. And I was really glad and excited to feature Petite Studio collection because it really fit me like a glove, as you see in the videos. All the styles I'm using today for the capsule are from Petite Studio. As usual, I'm leaving all the information about the styles as well as the sizes in the info box. Please don't forget to check out Petite Studio collection after watching this video. For a more dressed up, elegant look, I paired the linen waistcoat with white tailored trousers, adding black accents, fishnet ballet flats, black accent sunglasses, and half moon tote to finish off my look. I can take it to the next level and dress it up for a special occasion by swapping flats for silver tone sling bags and adding a white shoulder bag. To dress it down and create a more casual yet polished look, I paired the same waistcoat with a denim skirt, white ballet flats, and the minimalist half moon bag from my previous look. And finally, the look I like the most is the white waistcoat paired with black trousers and a statement zebra clutch. And a gentle reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe, and also please follow me on Instagram, where you can get a lot of styling tips and outfit ideas on a daily basis. For the off-white blouse, my first outfit idea is pairing it with white tailored trousers. 10 colored belts, sandals, and a raffia tote to finish off my look, and to add a touch of glam, I accessorize it with golden toned jewelry. Et voila, my French Riviera look is ready. If you prefer a more feminine and relaxed look, you can swap the white trousers for a denim skirt and finish off the look with espadrilles and a larger raffia tote. And finally, if you are a hardworking girl, the same blouse can be easily transformed into a formal look by adding black trousers, metallic sling bags, and a structured tote. Layering is the key to unlocking versatility and functionality of your wardrobe. Essential pieces such as jackets, blazers, cardigans in cooler season, and kimonos, shirts, waistcoats, and lightweight cardigans for warmer season allow you not only to create a variety of different outfits using the same base, but also serve as a great camouflage tool if you want to conceal a little tummy or create a more slimming effect, and also allows you to adapt your outfit to changing temperature and weather, which is very much the case here in Belgium. To show you an example of a super versatile, comfy and stylish layering piece for summer, I chose this beautiful striped knit shirt from Petite Studio, which can be styled in multiple ways. Firstly, wear it as a shirt, simply tucked into trousers. Secondly, use it as a light kimono over a bikini top, which is actually one of my favorite combos for hot summer days. Alternatively, you can swap the bikini top for a sports bra or crop top and tie the strands in a knot for a less exposed and more playful look. And finally, you can use it as a layering piece and wear it over your shoulders in case it gets chilly in the evening. So, one shirt, 4 different ways to style, 4 versatile outfits to choose from. And I will never be tired of repeating that. Accessory sets are your key tools in maximizing your wardrobe potential and creating a variety of different stylish outfits, having minimum amount of clothes. The magic lies in coordinating shoes, bags, and other accessories in a cohesive set so that you can effortlessly integrate them in any of your outfits, dressing them up and down and personalizing them and creating your signature style. To show you an example of maximizing your outfits with only one piece using different accessory sets, I went for this gorgeous blaze suit from Petite Studio. Paired with a small raffia tote, tan sandals, golden jewelry and cat-eye sunglasses, it's great for hot summer days when you want to look classy without sweating to death. For a more dressed-up look, I switched the flats for kitten heels, added statement belts and a pop of color with a khaki shoulder bag. This combination is simple yet elegant enough for the evening. And to give it more statement twist, I threw a striped shirt over my shoulders and added black strappy sandals and a larger raffia tote. So you get 3 different looks with only one piece and 3 different accessory sets. If you noticed throughout this video, I used various accessory sets for different outfits. Accessory set number 1, tan sandals and small raffia tote with matching embellishment, golden tone jewelry and brown sunglasses. Accessory set number 2, black strappy sandals and a big raffia tote with black sunglasses, and again golden tone jewelry that matches with raffia texture. Accessory set number 3, my minimalist accessory set, a half moon bag with a fishnet ballet flats and a silver jewelry. And finally, for more dressed up looks, I played with metallic textures, black accents and black and white print for accessory set number 4. Because all the elements are coordinated with each other, it took just a matter of seconds for me to create these outfits. However, the final result looks really cohesive and thought through, yet effortless at the same time, which is for me the biggest value as a stylist. Voila, that was it for today. I really hope that this video was helpful for you stepping into summer season and creating your summer capsule. And I have a little favor to ask from you. I would really appreciate if you dropped in the comments the topics you are particularly interested for my coming videos. It's almost 1.5 years I have my YouTube channel, and I have an impression that I covered pretty much all the topics so far. So if you have any special requests, I would really highly appreciate any of your suggestions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!